Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we got you some new update concerning white Yescoin by Yescoin Foundation. For some days after the public round, public strategic round, the daily code stopped for a while, and so it is back, and so you can ramp up your Yescoin points and use for the lucky spin and continue to grow your points heading on to the TGA. So in today's video we're going to be unveiling the code, which is actually for the 16th of March, right? So I spotted it late, so it's coming late, and I hope that you can actually grab your share of it because it's an important code that actually concerns all of us because it touches on the freedom of the founder of Telegram. So let's head on to really check what the code is. First, let's go to the gift section. And so you can see the code here, the daily secret code, see it here. So you just tap on the start. All right, so here it's worth 1 million. So tap here. All right, so let's find the code. We're not going to go too far. Let's just scroll, flip this thing down. Let's head on to the community. Here you can see the code is, just tap this. Durov has to be set free, and the news here is that, let's just go over here and see the news. Go back to the place, check here. All right, the news is that Durov has been free. It has been, of course, for now, unofficial sources say that Durov, his passport has been returned, and so, according to unofficial sources, Durov has just been released from custody in France, and here is from Tom Foundation celebrates Pavel Durov's passport return. So, his passport has been returned to him by French authorities, granting him the freedom to leave the country at his discretion. This news marks a significant moment of resolution. With nearly a billion users worldwide, Telegram represents a global movement committed to the freedom of communication and the inalienable right to privacy. As part of the decentralized Tron community, we have stood in solidarity with Pavel, supporting his unwavering dedication to defending the right to free speech and privacy online. Our commitment to these fundamental principles remains steadfast. We firmly believe that blockchain is freedom technology, an innovative tool capable of transforming how we protect personal rights, and we are proud to be part of an ecosystem that empowers individuals to communicate freely and securely. We extend our deepest gratitude to our community, the broader tech industry, and all advocates of free speech who have been vocal in their support of Pavel Don Foundation. All right, so let's head on to impute the code. All right, so let's go on over here and enter that free Durov. All right, let's see, validate task. Absolutely. So you go ahead and enter it. So the code is there for longer. It's worth 1 million, and I don't really think there's a time restriction for it. So it's something you can grab. So go ahead and grab yours and complete the task, and also give this video a like, comment, share, and please subscribe, and also smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. Thank you very much, and God bless you.